Hello friends and neighbors. Today's video is another Christmas candy video, and I'm going to be sharing the recipe that I use for peanut butter rolls, or they're also called peanut butter pinwheels. So for this recipe we need a half a stick of butter, we need a half of a block of cream cheese, so about 4 ounces of cream cheese. We need powdered sugar, and we need peanut butter and vanilla. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our cream cheese and our butter, both should be room temperature, and we're going to mix those together. And then once those are all blended, I'm going to add in about a teaspoon of vanilla and mix it in. And then we're going to start adding in our powdered sugar. Now I have 3.5 cups of powdered sugar in my measuring cup. But it is raining here today, and I did have to use extra sugar. I think I used between 4 and 4.5 cups of powdered sugar. So it will vary. You may only have to use 3.5 cups. And we're just going to slowly add in the powdered sugar and mix it in. And once it gets about to this consistency where it's kind of like a cake frosting, I'm going to start mixing with my spatula and then my hand. And I'm going to get my parchment paper ready, and it's just a sheet of parchment paper with some powdered sugar on it. And then I'm going to continue mixing in as much powdered sugar as I can to our dough. And it should start getting a lot less sticky. It'll start looking and feeling a lot like biscuit dough. Here it is ready to roll out, and I'm just going to put it on my parchment paper, and I'm going to start pressing it out with my fingers at first. You want to get it into a rectangular shape, and I'm going to flip it a few times just to make sure there's plenty of powdered sugar on both sides so it's not sticking to everything. And then I'm going to use my rolling pin to help roll it out more evenly. And now we're ready to add our peanut butter. And I'm just using creamy peanut butter. And I'm going to be using probably about a 3/4 cup of peanut butter. This is something that could vary also. It depends on how thick you like your peanut butter layer. But I'm just going to scoop mine out into a microwave safe bowl, and I'm going to stick it in the microwave for only about 10 seconds, just enough to warm it up just a little bit, and that makes it easier to spread out on our sugar dough. going to slowly start to roll our pinwheel. And I use the parchment paper. It makes it a lot easier to roll it evenly. And just go slow. I'm just going to put it on a plate and I'm going to put it in the fridge to chill for about 30 minutes before I cut it. And here is the final result. So I hope you like this recipe. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. I appreciate you all so much, and I hope you're having a wonderful Christmas season so far, and I will see you all next time.